I was just trying to hurry up and do this while the idea was in my head, and I saw it somewhere and I was like, I want to try this. So here I am trying this, all because I want to try this. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are a returning viewer, then welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be hopping straight into the video. I'm going to be trying to remove this lime green color that I have in my head. So if that's something that you are interested in seeing, then stay tuned. I saw this hack, I would call it like a hack, but essentially it's all about the science of the products that I'm going to be using, and I don't know that it's a hack, but I do want to see if it's going to be a healthier way of lightening my hair, because I do like to change my hair color quite frequently, probably more than the average person. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to be going ahead and explaining to you guys what products I'm going to be using, and so let's just jump straight into the products that I am going to be using for this tutorial. Are going to be key component, baking soda. I'm going to be using 10 volume developer. This is by the brand Clairol, but you could use any brand that you have or that you have access to. I'm also going to be using the purple shampoo by the brand Shimmer Lights. I am also going to be using some gloves, a mixing bowl, and an applicator brush. Also need some dish detergent. I have Dawn and it's huge, but this is what I'll be using. Go ahead and start by making the mixture. I'm starting with baking soda, and I'm just going to pour that into this bowl. And since I don't really have like that much hair, I'm not going to use a lot of the product. And if you guys see me looking over here, it's because I'm trying to figure out which part of the reel I want to put in, so don't mind me. Looks like 4 ounces. So 4 ounces of baking soda, and then I'm going to go in with 10 volume developer, and I'm just going to add that into the mixture now. So I'm going to go ahead and start mixing it up, and right now with just a small amount of developer, I know it's going to be kind of thick, but with all of the other consistencies that I'm about to put in here, I kind of want it to be thick so that the other mixtures kind of loosen it up a little bit more, and it's not super thick on my head, but it's not super runny either. Alright, so this is about the consistency that we're at right now. It's giving like icing, you know, like when you're making icing with the kids. That's about the consistency of it right now. I'm gonna take some Dawn now, and I'm gonna add some of that to the mixture. I'm only gonna add about 2 or 3 squirts. All right, y'all. So y'all can see, literally see, I've only put a little bit of Dawn in there. I wouldn't even say it was a cap full of Dawn, but that's what I put in there. And now I'm gonna go ahead and mix it up. So as you can see, the consistency changed a little bit, got a little bit more watery. And then now I'm going to go in and I'm going to add some purple shampoo. So this is how much purple shampoo I added in there as well. I added about, I'm gonna add a little bit more. I added about, maybe, I wouldn't even say this is turning it. This is definitely changing the pigment of it. So you know I added a bit more than I did of the actual Dawn. But, so this is what the consistency is now looking like. It is giving watery boots. So what I'm going to do is add just a little bit. Because this is very hard. This will be very hard to like work with on my very, very short hair. I'm going to add a little bit more baking soda just because the consistency is a little bit too watery for my liking. I'm just going to, just a dab, and kind of work it in and see, you know, and build my way up. I don't want it to be too thick, and I don't want it to be, so I'm going to add some more. All right, so now we're back at this consistency. We're back here, and now I'm going to put my gloves on, and then I'm going to start applying it. Over wherever I see the lime green at, that's where I'm trying to really focus on. Because I know that the other portions of my hair are probably going to lighten with this as well. And this brush is not getting me there where I need to, the coverage that I need to, and the time that I need to. So I'm just going to scoop it in my hand. Because, yes, application. Alright y'all, so now I have it all laid on. I have it all on. Oh, look at me. This is why you wear towels. Now, what's up you guys? I'm back. So I still have my processing cap on because it's coming up on 1 hour with me having this on my head. I put it in my head at 12:30. It is 1:27 now, and you guys are gonna see what it looks like along with me because I didn't even look to see what it looks like. Oh my gosh, there's pieces falling. Woo. So let's see what we got. Oh, it's blonde. Hey. So I'm over here pressed because it's really blonde. Like, it took all of the lime green out. I don't see any. I haven't looked in the back yet either. But from what I'm looking at here, my hair is the perfect tone of blonde. It's not too orange. It's not too yellow. The purple shampoo took care of all of that. I'm curious to know what the sides look like. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo and then deep condition my hair, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys once my hair has been completely shampooed out, just to show you guys the final results. What's up y'all, I'm back, and these are the final results. I'm gonna turn all the way around so you can see. So we're blonde again. Like, my roots are like brown, but it's perfect. I shampooed my hair. I used purple shampoo, and then I went back in with Olaplex conditioner, and then that was it. I also put some of this Cantu. This is like curl activator cream, and I also used some of this leave-in just to get my leave-in. This is by Kenra, and this was just to get the coils in my hair. But that's basically what I did. And yeah, so if you guys want to try this trick, then definitely tag me on social. Make sure all of my information will be down in the description box. I'll leave all of these details down in the description box along with all of the items. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.